Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we discuss ways to make money from home. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can make money from home with Amazon FBA. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about what Amazon FBA is. Amazon FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. This means that Amazon takes care of the storage, packaging, and shipping of your products. As a seller, you just need to send your products to Amazon's warehouse and they take care of the rest. To get started with Amazon FBA, you need to create an Amazon seller account. Once you have a seller account, you can start listing your products on Amazon. Amazon FBA also provides tools to help you manage your inventory and track your sales. Now, let's talk about how you can make money with Amazon FBA. The first step is to find a product that you want to sell. You can either create your own product or find a product to sell on Amazon. You can use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to find profitable products to sell. Once you have found a product to sell, you need to create a listing on Amazon. You need to optimize your listing with the right keywords and images to attract customers. You also need to price your product competitively. After your product is listed on Amazon, you need to send your products to Amazon's warehouse. Amazon will take care of the storage, packaging, and shipping of your products. When a customer buys your product, Amazon will handle the fulfillment process. They will package and ship the product to the customer. You will receive the payment for the sale minus Amazon's fees. It's important to keep track of your sales and expenses with Amazon FBA. You can use tools like QuickBooks or Xero to manage your finances. Now, let's talk about some tips for success with Amazon FBA. The first tip is to choose a product that has high demand and low competition. This will increase your chances of making sales. The second tip is to create a professional listing with high-quality images and a detailed description. This will attract customers and increase your chances of making a sale. The third tip is to price your product competitively. You need to find the right balance between profit and affordability. Finally, it's important to keep learning and adapting with Amazon FBA. You need to stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies. You can join Amazon FBA communities and attend webinars to learn from other sellers. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new about how to make money from home with Amazon FBA. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on making money from home. Thanks for watching.